Meaning of inversion.
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 Inversion. The term inversion can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general, inversion refers to the act of inverting, reversing, or turning something upside down. For example, inversion can refer to a mathematical operation that flips a fraction over so that the numerator becomes the denominator and vice versa. In music theory, inversion refers to a technique where the order of notes in a chord is reversed. Specifically, the lowest note is raised an octave, so that it becomes the highest note in the chord. In linguistics, inversion can refer to a syntactic construction where the order of a subject and verb is reversed, as in a question or a sentence beginning with a negative adverb. Overall, the meaning of inversion depends on the specific field in which it is used.